Good morning, students. Today I'm going to teach you about minerals. So, students, do you know what are minerals? Minerals are naturally occurring substances that are usually solid or inorganic. They have a definite chemical composition and a crystalline structure. The word mineral may mean different things to different people. Some may associate it with gemstone, some may associate it with geology and rocks, or even vitamin pills. To a geologist, minerals are naturally occurring substances. Rocks are made of substances called minerals. They occur naturally on the earth or deep inside the earth. Minerals are naturally occur inside the surface of earth, or they are found deep inside the earth. Not they are found over the surface of the earth. They are mostly found under the surface of earth. Minerals are usually solid and are not of any plant or animal origin. It means that minerals are solid in nature. They are not liquid or not gas. They appeared in solid form, they are not in liquid or gaseous form, or they are inorganic, means they are not made or coming from living things. They are made from non living matter, or they are not produced exclusively by living organisms or biological process. Some minerals are extracted from the sea salt present in seawater, like potassium and magnesium. Minerals found below the surface of earth. Rocks may contain one or many minerals. Several types of minerals are found under the rocks. So, most rock forming minerals are silicates, sandstone, gypsum, dolomite, marble, and limestones are some rocks, and rocks vary in their minerals content, size, color, and texture. Metals occurring as part of the rock, like iron, copper, and aluminium. So, students, minerals have several uses in our daily life. So, first we have taken clay. Clay is used for making walls in our homes. Next is copper. Copper is used for making wiring in our home. Gold. Gold is used for making ornaments and jewelry, and diamond is also used for making jewelry and is also used as a precious stone. Silicon. Silicon is used for making computer. Iron is used for making drain pipes. Granite is used for making kitchen platform. Concrete is used for making foundation of our home. Next is stainless steel is used for making sink of a kitchen. Then marble is used for making floor tiles. Iron is used for making window grills. Ceramic is used for making toilet. And aluminium is used for making door frames. Students, our food contains several minerals contents like phosphorus, sulfur, and potassium present in different fruits and vegetables. Magnesium, potassium, and manganese are present in nuts, cereals, grains, and pulses. Sodium chloride is present in salt. Iron and calcium is also present in several fruits and vegetables. Students, minerals resources are of two types, metallic and non metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are minerals that contain one or more metallic elements. Metals are usually hard with shiny surfaces. They can be hammered into thin sheets or stretched into wires. So, students, we can give any shape to metal. It can be converted into a thin sheet or it can be stretched into a wire. And these metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. So, that is why such metals are used for making electrical wires. And examples of such metallic minerals are iron, copper, bauxite, gold and manganese. मेटेलिक मिनरल्स वो मिनरल्स होते हैं जिनके अंदर मेटल कंटेंट होता है. मेटल मीन्स धातु, जिसके द्वारा हीट और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आसानी से पास आउट हो जाती है, वो कहलाते हैं मेटेलिक मिनरल्स. सो मेटेलिक मिनरल्स आर फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, फेरस एंड नॉन फेरस मिनरल्स. फेरस मिनरल्स आर दोज मिनरल्स which are having iron contents in them. जिन मिनरल्स के अंदर आयरन कंटेंट होता है उन्हें हम कहते हैं फेरस मिनरल्स. नॉन फेरस मिनरल्स आर द मिनरल्स which does not have iron contents, which have copper और gold contents present in them. वो मिनरल्स जिनके अंदर आयरन कंटेंट नहीं होता है, जिनके अंदर गोल्ड या कॉपर कंटेंट प्रेजेंट होते हैं, उन्हें हम कहते हैं नॉन फेरस मिनरल्स. नॉन मेटेलिक मिनरल्स. Non-metallic minerals are those that do not contain extractable metallic elements. They are the minerals which are not able to extract. These are the minerals which cannot be converted into another shape. They also lack a metallic shine in their appearance. Limestone, mica and gypsum are some examples of such non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals वो minerals होते हैं जिनमें metal content नहीं होते. For example, coal. Metallic minerals are good conductor of heat and electricity, but non-metallic minerals are poor conductor of heat and electricity. Heat और electricity non metallic minerals में पास नहीं हो सकती. Students, now we are going to discuss about the uses of rocks and minerals. Rocks and minerals have several uses in our daily life. So let's start. First is the minerals in the soil provide nutrients that plant need. Students, you already know that our soil is very precious and several types of minerals are present in our soil which are very beneficial for plants. मिट्टी में मौजूद खनिज पौधों की ज़रूरतों के अनुसार उन्हें पोषक तत्व प्रदान करते हैं. पेड़ पौधे बहुत से आवश्यक पोषक तत्व अपनी धरती में जो मिट्टी है उससे प्राप्त करते हैं. सेकेंड इज़ हार्ड एंड लार्ज ब्लॉक्स ऑफ रॉक्स आर यूज्ड फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क. चट्टानों के कठोर और बड़े बड़े ब्लॉक, इनका उपयोग कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क के लिए किया जाता है. आप जितनी बड़ी बड़ी और सुंदर इमारतें देखते हैं, ये इमारतें कैसे बनाई जाती हैं? ये रॉक्स का उपयोग करके बनाई जाती हैं. रॉक्स विद एडुकेट मिनरल्स कंटेंट्स आर यूज्ड इन इंडस्ट्री. रॉक्स जिसमें बहुत सारे मिनरल्स कंटेंट्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, इनका उपयोग उद्योगों में भी किया जाता है. Minerals, precious metals and gemstones are used in making jewelry. Minerals are very precious. Minerals बहुत ही कीमती धातु होती है. इसमें कुछ gemstones होते हैं, कुछ रत्न होते हैं जो कि ornaments और ज्वेलरी बनाने में भी काम आते हैं.